Today we'll see on how you can change an audio or a video in Inshot. First, you will have to click on the video button. There you see there, our more recent work, so let's click on new. Now let's click on any video, and now click this allow to continue to another step. Now this is how it appears. Let's play it and hear its audio. And here it's a good song matching the video. So for us, if we are going to change it, we'll first make our video a little shorter. So click on this button to cut it, adjust it from here. Now let's get into changing its audio to a new one. So first click on this music tool, then you will have to decrease the video's volume by going here. Then decrease the volume. So now to choose our next audio, click on tracks, then go on to my music. So now let's find out audio best suited for video. Now that we've found it, click on the go on use. So let's play it.